Hi, my little dinos. Just remember, if you want to print out the worksheet, it's the link below. Kitty Cat last week told me to check out this website called climatekids.nasa.gov. It talks about a very important topic called climate change. And it says, what is climate? Well, climate is a big picture of temperature, rainfall, wind, and other conditions over a larger region and a longer time than weather. For example, Phoenix, Arizona last week was rainy, but the city usually gets only about 7 inches of rain each year, so the climate there is dry. Much of Southern California also has a dry desert climate. Brazil has a tropical climate because it warms and rains there a lot. Now that we have our fun fact, let's start the worksheet. First, let's write your name, any color you like. Next, we're going to read the instructions. It says, connect the dots, then color in the hidden shape. First, it says connect the dots. Let's start from 1. Now let's grab any color crayon you like. And we're going to start at 1. Ready? 1. Now we're going to go all the way to 2. Now we're going to connect to 3. And all the way to end. Great job! It says connect the dots, then color in the hidden shape. What's the hidden shape? Great job! It's a triangle. I'm going to color in the triangle now. Take your time. Now that we connected the dots and colored in the hidden shape, which is a triangle. I'm coloring the triangle's arms green and his legs too. What color are you going to color them? Oh, I like that. That's a great color. Now that we colored the arms and legs, how many sides form a triangle? Let's read it again. How many sides form a triangle? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Great job. 3. How many sides form a triangle? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. So I think the answer is 3. What do you think? That's right. Great job. Now let's write the number 3. I'm so proud of you guys. I couldn't have done this without you. Now we're going to draw the background. Anything you like. I'm going to draw lightning bolts. I can't wait to see what you draw. Now that I drew yellow lightning bulbs, I'm going to color the background blue. Whoa! I love blue. Great job, everyone. This looks amazing. I can't wait to see how yours turned out. I can't wait for you guys to join me next Friday for a brand new episode.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!